Hello and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet foundation chain, which is good for things like gloves. So I have this glove here and it is made with a, I can't see that light, it's made with a foundation chain down here so that it's easier to get on and off rather than a chain might be too tight. A foundation chain allows things to stretch a little bit more than a chain. So this one is going to be double crochet, and I'm working with the G hook, which is a 4.5 millimeter if I remember correctly, and I'm working with worsted weight size 4 yarn. This happens to be, I love this yarn, from Hobby Lobby, and it's in color Brighton Road. So I will start with chaining 2, and I have a slip knot already. So I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. So that is the front of the chain there. I'm going to turn it to the back, and you can see loops back there. So I'm going to show you where I'm going to insert my hook. Right here underneath these two. Let's see if we can scooch it a little bit to see that. Right there. So you're not going to go into the front, you're going to go into the back. So yarn over, turn towards the back, you're going to catch, and this is the hardest, probably the hardest one because the chain happens to be tighter than anything else. So I'm under those 2 loops. If you turn it around, there's 1 loop on the front there. So I'm going to yarn over that, pull up a loop, and I've got 3 loops on my hook there. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, and that's going to be your chain part right down there. So now you're going to work your double crochet. So you yarn over, draw through 2 loops, and yarn over and draw through 2 loops. That's your first double crochet right there. I consider this the starting chain and not a stitch. So then you will make your second one. You're going to yarn over, and now you're going to go through these loops here. Let me show you again. You're turning to the back, and I'm going to go through that right there. So yarn over, go through those 2 loops, yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm going to stretch that out so that your chain on the bottom there doesn't end up being too tight. So yarn over, pull through 1 loop there, and then you do your double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we have 2 double crochets, 1 there and 1 there. I'm trying to figure out the best way to get my light in here. Okay, so we'll do another one. Yarn over, go under these 2 loops. So if you look at it from this way, you're not going to go through this here, that's your actual double crochet. You're going to go through this bottom one here. So you're turning that, catch those 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 1 loop, and that's your chain. Now you're going to do your double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and now you have 3 double crochets. Okay, then we'll do that again. Yarn over, notice I'm turning my work to the bottom where that chain is, and that's what you're going to go over. You have 1, 2, 3. You're going to go underneath that 3rd set of loops there, pull up a loop, you have 3 on your hook, yarn over, just pull through 1 loop, again you have 3, but you've done your chain there, and then now you're going to do your double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now I'll continue to do some more for you quietly. It did take me a while to get these foundation chains down, so give yourself grace. You may have to watch this video, or you may find another video that's better suited for you, because there's a lot out there, but I had to watch several times in different videos, so when I learned how to do this. So give yourself grace. If you don't get it the first time, just keep trying. It took me a lot of times, and I typically pick up things pretty quickly, but this, for some reason, eluded me for a while. So if you don't succeed at first, just keep trying. Let's see, I heard someone on a sitcom once say a winner is just a loser who doesn't give up. That really stuck with me. I thought that was really good. So I may fail at a lot of things one time, but just keep trying. Say that again. A winner is a loser who doesn't give up. Okay. Okay, well, I hope this has helped you. Hope my lighting's right. I don't think I've found the perfect lighting situation for me yet. Have been doing videos outside, but it's been so hot that I can't do that right now, and so I want an inside shot. I have some lights here, but they're not, it's just not exactly what I want at the moment, but I can't stop doing what I need to do, so my videos are yet to be perfect, but I will keep trying. Okay. I hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.